a nation on the eastern coast of Central America with Caribbean Sea shoreline to the east and dense jungle to the west. It's known for its beaches, ecology, scuba diving, and sport fishing. Offshore, the massive Belize Barrier Reef, dotted with hundreds of keys, hosts rich marine life. Conservation of mangrove in Belize. What are mangroves? Mangroves are a tropical species of trees or shrubs that have adapted to live in coastal regions. They grow on loose wet soil that is periodically flooded by salty seawater during high tide. Mangrove forests provide homes for several species of plants and animals. Birds like the cattle egrets and scarlet ibises establish large roosting and nesting sites in mangroves. There are about 54 species of mangroves in the world, and we have 4 of those types in the Caribbean: red, black, white, and buttonwood mangroves. The buttonwood is an association of the community. If mangroves disappear, will life as we know it go with them? An exclusive interview from our own Galen Eagle live from Mangrove Park in Corozal Bay.
Okay, now we have our guest with us, Miss Christina Luterman.
Good morning, everybody. I am here in Mangrove Park, and this park was established in 2012, and it's a park that is for conservation, education, recreation, and an organization called FOCUS, F-O-C-U-S, Friends of Corozal United for Sustainability, has been very involved in establishing this park. We've had many classes out here with children and adults and teachers, educating them about the mangroves. The park is very special because the 3 types of mangroves exist in this park. And it's also special because there are examples of when the mangrove's been cut down, and some of it has been cut down here, a lot of erosion has happened, and we've had many projects with many groups of people come and help to establish rock walls so that the erosion isn't happening, so the mangroves can grow. Here we are in an area of Mangrove Park where I can show you an example of the red mangrove. They have their root system coming out of their trunk here, the aerial roots with the lenticels, which are the breathing holes of the red mangrove. And we have right here a little seedling that's come up from, this is a propagule. This is what comes off of the red mangrove at a certain time, and it can float in the water. It's buoyant, and then it will plant itself if the conditions are right. A lot of times the water's too rough. They won't, be able to maintain themselves, but these have been able to grow here, and that's a really good thing. And these are called propagules. Let me take you over to another area where I can show you the white mangrove. This is the white mangrove, and it's usually growing back behind the red mangrove and the black mangrove, but it just depends. Sometimes
Perhaps the most important role of mangroves is that they protect vulnerable coastlines from wave action because they hold soil together and prevent coastal erosion. Mangroves shield inland areas during storms and minimize damage.
Of land because the mangrove is what protects coastal zone. Now the fish can't spawn here, nothing is dead. Mangroves takes 20 years to be 4 feet of height.